A lot of noise about home quarantine is happening, but many still don't know exactly what it means. Here are the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare guidelines for home quarantine, where the detection of a travel related or unrelated suspect cases of novel coronavirus is to be followed by rapid isolation in designated health facilities and checking of all those who have come in contact with them. Here are the details. According to the guidelines, home quarantine is applicable to all such contacts of a subject or confirmed case of COVID 19. This intervention will be limited to the initial phase of reporting only. Intervention only in travel related cases. Focal clusters mean from travel related or unrelated cases, persons coming from COVID 19 affected areas where the local and community transmission is evident. A contact means living in the suspect household, has had direct physical contact, possible breach of PPE, has had face to face contact in closed environment. Disposable masks are never reused. Masks used by patients, caregivers, close contacts during home care should be disinfected using ordinary bleach solution 5% or sodium hypochlorite solution 1% and then disposed of either by burning or deep burial. A home quarantined person should stay in a well ventilated single room with attached bathroom. Should stay away from elderly people, pregnant women, children, and persons with comorbidities. These people should not attend any social or religious gathering. Should also wash hands as often and very thoroughly. Should avoid sharing household items. If symptoms like cough, fever, difficulty in breathing appear, one should immediately inform the nearest health center or call 011 2397 8046, that is 011 2397 8046. Rosario Soares for Goa 365 from Panji.